Do you know what day it is? It's present day. Hi there, Katy Mayo here with Cristin Creates. We're getting ready to make the Planet Applique Swaddle Sweetie, and our sponsor is Daylily Fabric Shop. Thanks so much, Daylily, for sending me the fabric kits. And I've already opened mine up. Let's see what's inside. So fun. So, did you choose a boy or a girl for your Swaddle Sweetie? I have here lots of choices. Camo for a boy. That will be for the body. And then this is the face doll jersey. The white fleece is the lining for the body and the face, actually. And this helps keep the stuffing smooth. And blonde hair. Or let's see, did you choose a girl option? A couple of girl options. I have macarons and hearts. Isn't that cute? And another option is the blue daisy print. This is going to be so fun. One of the other things in your kit is a doll joint. There's one doll joint for the head, attaching it to the body. And there should be a little Velcro square as well. Other supplies that you'll need will be tearaway stabilizer and stuffing, and then your thread colors of choice. But we'll get more into that as we get started. Oh, and wash away topper for the face. And then I'll explain more about that as we get into it. So if you look over my shoulder, you'll see some of the Planet Applique dolls that I've made. The one closest to me is Juno. Fun fact about Juno, this was the first in the hoop doll pattern that Planet Applique designed, where she just blew it out of the park. And that one is Juno. And fun fact, there were, I think, 50 of us that actually won doll kits. I was one of them, and so was Cristin. How fun is that? So next to Juno is the April doll. And let's see, Juno is 5x7. The April is an 8x10. And let's see, Juno wears 18-inch doll clothes in the 5x7, that is. And the 8x10 April, that one wears 0 to 3 months. And when I made that one, I put glass beads in her feet and her hands to kind of weigh her down a little bit. And she weighs as much as a real baby. Then next to April is another Swaddle Sweetie. And next to the Swaddle Sweetie is Holly. Holly I made as my Christmas tree topper. Anyway, I hope you're going to join us on this little adventure making a Swaddle Sweetie from Planet Applique. And if you haven't ordered supplies and you'd like to join in, the link to the Daylily Fabric Shop Swaddle Sweetie kit is in the comments below. And my shirt is one of my go-to monograms, originally from It's a Stitch. It's the swirl monogram. You can find it at Designs by Juju. And we'll see you soon.